Imagine a hidden city inside you, filled with trillions of tiny citizens. They trade, build, and shape the neighborhood, your gut. These invisible residents affect mood, weight, and immunity. Your health depends on their balance. This living city is your microbiome. Scientists call it the microbiome, a vast community of bacteria, fungi, and viruses outnumbering your own cells. Their DNA library is 150 times larger than yours. Far from being enemies, most digest fiber, train immunity, and even talk to your brain. Without them, survival is impossible. But balance is fragile. When it tilts, helpful species shrink, harmful ones expand, and your inner city turns chaotic. Suddenly, digestion feels rough, skin breaks out, or energy collapses. These aren't coincidences, they are warning sirens, often long before medical tests detect anything. Think of your gut as a rainforest. Diversity keeps it strong, cut down species, and weeds invade. Modern life, fast food, stress, antibiotics destroys that diversity. The fragile ecosystem left behind shows up as fatigue or stubborn weight. It's the rainforest screaming for balance inside you. In this episode, we'll explore the microbiome revolution. Trillions of microbes act like engineers, shaping digestion, immunity, and even emotions. They aren't passengers, they are co-pilots steering health daily. Once you see their hidden power, you'll never view food or yourself the same way again. The microbiome is a vast community of microbes, bacteria, fungi, viruses, mostly living in your gut. Over 100 trillion of them outnumber your own cells. They aren't guests. They are permanent residents, shaping digestion, mood, and health every single day. Their DNA library is massive, about 150 times larger than yours. That means most genetic instructions running your life come from microbes. They code enzymes to break food, make vitamins, and guide immunity. It's like carrying a second manual inside you. Most microbes live in the large intestine, where food moves slowly and gives them time to thrive. It's like a busy marketplace full of trade. Smaller groups live in the mouth, skin, and lungs, but the colon is the capital city of microbial life. Microbes digest what you can't, fiber. Human enzymes can't break many plant fibers, but microbes ferment them into SCFAs. These feed your gut lining, calm inflammation, and even reach the brain. With microbes, fiber becomes powerful fuel for body and mind. Microbes also make vitamins, KB group, folate. Every day, they quietly refill your nutrient account. When diversity shrinks, deposits drop, and fatigue or weakness follows. Your health budget partly depends on these microscopic taxpayers doing their job well. Your brain listens too. Microbes signal through the vagus nerve and make neurotransmitters like GABA and serotonin. That's why imbalance feels like anxiety, brain fog, or poor sleep. Your gut is literally wired to your brain, sending mood signals daily. When the ecosystem breaks, trouble begins. Antibiotics, stress, or poor diet wipe out good species. Harmful ones take over, causing dysbiosis. Symptoms start small: bloating, cravings, fatigue, but ripple into obesity, diabetes, even depression. It's not just your gut, it's collapse. Obesity shows a clear link. Twin studies reveal that even with the same DNA, different microbiomes predict different weights. One twin stays lean, the other gains fat. Microbes decide how many calories you keep, It's microbial math, not just willpower. Mood disorders linked too. Dysbiosis often pairs with depression or anxiety. Animal studies show healthy microbiome transplants lift behavior. Human research is growing, but the trend is clear. The gut-brain talk is partly microbial. Mental health lives in the gut too. In summary, your microbiome is a living ecosystem, bigger in genes than you, centered in the colon. It turns fiber into SCFAs, vitamins, and signals. When diverse, it trains immunity and steadies mood. When disturbed, it drives disease. To know microbes is to know yourself. Daniel took antibiotics for an infection. His cough healed, but his gut collapsed. Diarrhea, cramps, and fatigue followed. Antibiotics cleared bad bugs, but wiped out many good ones. The cure came with a hidden cost. His microbiome lost balance. Lily eats plants in rainbow colors: beans, nuts, berries, greens. Her gut blooms like a rainforest, diverse and resilient. She rarely gets sick, her skin glows, and energy stays steady. Her secret isn't luck, it's microbial diversity fed daily by her plate. Emma faced constant bloating and fatigue. Stress at work flooded cortisol, weakened vagus tone, and let harmful microbes grow. Her symptoms weren't imagined, they were stressed microbes speaking. When she managed stress, her gut rebalanced and her focus returned. The lesson is clear. Real-life symptoms, sleep, skin, mood, digestion, often trace back to microbes. They aren't background, they are active players. Ignore them and you ignore yourself. The good news, your microbiome is flexible, and with choices, so are you. Want to help your inner ecosystem? Start with diversity. Aim for 30 different plants a week: beans, fruits, seeds, herbs. Each feeds unique microbes, like adding instruments to an orchestra. Variety makes the music richer. Diversity is strength. Next, add prebiotics and probiotics. Prebiotics, fibers microbes love, like garlic, onions, oats. Probiotics, live microbes in yogurt, kimchi, kefir. Think groceries and guests. One sets the table, the other brings the party. Together, they restore balance. Antibiotics save lives, but each pill is a wildfire in your microbiome. Don't stop early, don't take casually. If needed, support recovery with diverse foods and fermented choices. Think of antibiotics as storms, necessary sometimes, always disruptive. Respect rhythm. Microbes run on your circadian clock. Shift work, late nights, and chaotic meals scramble signals. Keep sleep and meals steady. Microbes are factory workers. If shifts keep changing, production fails. Rhythm is medicine for your gut. Daily whispers matter, but red flags can't be ignored. Pain, bleeding, weight loss, or constant vomiting are alarms needing medical care. Listening to microbes is powerful, but it complements, not replaces, doctors. Awareness plus care is the strongest defense.